Hi, my name is Veronica Sigurdson, and before doing my MBA, I was working as a marketing and communications consultant in Canada. Previously, I had done my undergraduate degree in commerce with a specialization in international management. So the concept of business school wasn't completely new to me, but I had focused a bit more on a marketing and communications path. So I really wanted to get back to that holistic view of business and organizations to be able to take on different types of roles moving forward. I chose EDHEC because I was looking very specifically for a one-year MBA program that had a global focus. It wasn't necessarily needed to be in France, but once I saw EDHEC and the reputation that French business schools have, as well as the reputation EDHEC had in the global community, I knew it was the right fit. My cohort in the Global MBA is incredibly supportive and obviously a very diverse group of people. It's been such a pleasure getting to know everyone and working with them, and I think it's this exposure to different types of people and different lines of experience will be really helpful moving forward. The most impactful part of my MBA has really been the soft skills element, where we learn more about our strengths and weaknesses and how to work with them and harness them to be the best managers that we can be. Two elements outside of class that I'm participating in for the Global MBA are the Marketing Club and the Social Impact and Diversity Club. I joined the Marketing Club so that I could bring some of my expertise and share that with the cohort and find a way to contribute in some way outside of the classroom. For the Social Impact and Diversity Club, I'm Vice President of Operations in it, and I really wanted to learn more about sustainability and the social impact we can have coming out of the MBA, and also a way to move some of these projects forward that I'm really passionate about. While the EDHEC Global MBA is very intensive and it keeps us very busy, it is amazing to be living in a place as beautiful as Nice, France, being able to go to the beach after classes, to unwind, having the coast right there, and amazing vibrant communities in the city center, restaurants, festivals. It really doesn't stop, and it has a lot to offer outside of the classroom as well. If I had to sum up my MBA experience in 3 words, it would be intense, diverse, and eye-opening.